What's up, guys? It's your boy Nate back and Quentin.
Hello.
And we are opening the rock tumble
For the end of week 3.
Wait, no,
Week 2, sorry, week 2. So let's get the water so we can dump the rocks and clean them. So let's open this up and make sure to ask.
I'm doing the scooping, okay?
And make sure to ask for help when opening this thing because it's really heavy. It's really hard to open.
See you. There. Oh wow!
This is what it looks like inside.
That's wow.
This is what it looks like inside the tumbler. Small,
like this one,
these right here. Now we're gonna put the rock back into the tumbler for grit food. But before you do that, make sure that the tumbler is nice and clean before it's reusable again. Now let's put the rocks back into the tumbler.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
After you're done putting the rocks back into the tumbler, you have to pour the water just over the rocks.
Let me know. Don't.
And make sure to ask an adult for help. And after you're done pouring the water, you gotta put the grit in the rocks. And as you can see, we're doing grit number 3, which takes 6 to 8 days.
It's electric.
Close the lid tightly.
Tightly.
After you're done closing it, you put it on the tumbler. And make sure you put it on the tumbler on the right side.
Like that.
Like this.
And
And
go.
turn it on. We'll see you next time for bit number 4. Bye!